Hi guys, how are you all? Hi guys, how are you all? Wait, I'm not able to hear you. Hi guys, are you able to hear me? Hey, one of you should shout out, I feel. I'm not able to hear you.
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Good, thanks. Okay. How was last week's homework, guys?
It was easy. It was challenging.
It was
I
challenging.
sort of, by the time I got to the internships one, I sort of forgot how to do it, so I tried my best the way I remembered.
Okay. Okay. How was the rationals assignment?
That was also easy.
It was pretty easy.
Did you have any questions on that?
What did I get?
There's one question I don't understand. I forgot which question it is. I'll check.
Can I go over that?
Wait, Auntie, did you grade mine?
Yes, I saw through yours.
Okay.
I have not sent out whatever I have. I will send it out right away. But did you see, did you go through your mistakes, Harshit?
Yeah, I think I did. I'm pretty sure.
See, but we just reviewed, right? We did the original assignment earlier, right?
Yeah.
But
I think I reviewed, but I reviewed, but I didn't mark it out. I just know the questions that I got wrong. But I circled them. So that's how I know.
no, my only question is who's correcting it? You or your mom or dad?
My dad.
Your dad. He
Yeah.
just corrects for
Yeah.
accuracy, right?
Yeah, he checks my accuracy and then he tells me all the mistakes I made and then when I resolve it and then or he like comes and helps me.
Did you go through that ordeal already?
Yeah.
Okay. Would like to get a message from your mom on that as well, Harshit. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'll just ask your mom on that as well. Wait. Let's see. Mm. One second, let me see. One second. Mm. Okay, you had a doubt, you're saying, right? Hey, I need you to rename as well. Can you rename? Oh, I wanted to rename. I want you to rename. Saket, okay, you renamed. Saket, maybe you missed that class. That's why the problem. Kiara, any questions on the assignment? No. Neil, any questions on the assignment? Particularly Neil, any question on the assignment? See, Neil, if you have a question,
No.
you have to raise it out in class. I really want you to raise that out in class. Then how will you know which had issues? Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question. No, actually, wait, no. Wait, no,
What
I don't have a
happened?
question. I don't.
No, no. My problem is, see, I don't know what questions you have. Your mom said you have marked it with a circle, right? But I don't see it. Where is it?
Oh.
Did you check against the answer key?
My mom did.
Your mom did. Did you go over your mistakes?
Yes. Yeah, one really quick thing. There's a big X on the ones that my dad marked. That was wrong.
What, ma?
There was a big X on the ones that my dad
Yeah,
marked.
yeah, yeah. See, for you, Harshit, okay. But I was talking to Neil.
I don't know what my mom did.
Uh-huh. No. Did you have any questions?
No, not really.
So you went over your mistakes?
Yeah. I think I may have forgot to mark some of mine that I had questions on when I went over my mistakes. I think I forgot to mark them that I what I got it. So it might still look like I have a question, but I don't.
Okay, hold on. I just want to make sure your mom is also updated. Okay. But any questions you have to ask in class. I'm not seeing anything circled.
I think I'll go and ask my mom about that.
You want to ask your mom about it? Okay. How about Akshat? How about you?
I'm good. I finished it.
Okay. Kiara, any questions, ma? Kiara, Sarvata, any questions?
I don't have any questions.
He has. I'm going to. And Saket, what are the questions you had?
Have any questions?
I had questions on the question 31 in the rationals review.
Okay. Rationals review. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to share it. Okay, let me share my screen. You're going to tell me what are your questions here. Go ahead, guys. You're going to tell me what are your questions, right? Go ahead and let me know what are the questions you have. I'm here to clarify. Go ahead. Go ahead, guys.
Question 31.
Question number 31, Nama.
Oh, I knew how to solve question 31.
Oh, you also had a question on that?
No, I knew how to solve it.
Okay. I'm asking who had questions now. Okay.
Oh.
Go ahead. Okay. What was your question, Ma?
I like knew how to solve it, but then once I solved it, I didn't get the answer I thought I would get.
PEMDAS, right? So
Yeah.
for PEMDAS, which one will you solve first, Saket?
10.5 by 2, like this. Can I annotate?
10.5 square, right? What is 10.5 square? I've told you quick method to calculate squares, right? 25 and then 10 times 11 is
100.
110. Plus 6 square is 110.25 plus 36 plus 0.5 times 6 times 4.5. Next, what should I do? What should I do next? Yeah, Saket, go ahead.
You have to do 0.5 times 6.
Okay, that is a 3. Then the next one, Neil, what should I do?
To do you have to do 0.5 times 6 and whatever that is times 4.5.
Yeah. So that would be 15. So is that 12, 13, right? Then the next one, what will I do? Harshad, go ahead.
So then you add 13 and 5 tenths to 110 and 25 tenths,
So what is it?
which is
Add
123 and 75 tenths.
123, correct. Plus a 36 is what, ma?
And if you add 36, it's 159 and 79.
Yep. Did you get the answer, Sarvata, there?
What?
Sarvata, did you get it?
Yeah, I realized the mistake I made.
Okay, guys. And who else next? What are your questions? Go
I
ahead.
have a question on 39.
39. Was it a mistake, ma?
I don't know, but it's similar to I think 41. But on the end of the parentheses and 41, there was a plus, but there isn't. So now it's multiplying by 3 squared.
No problem, ma. First, we'll do what PEMDAS, right? First parenthesis. So what happens? It's a 4. 4 times 3 square, 2 plus times 6 by 2, right? So it'll come from left to right. First, this exponent 9, and then the multiplication 36 times 3, right? Now the multiplication carries value 108 I'm getting 110. What is that?
Yeah, but that's not in any of the answer choices.
What did you get?
I think that's what I got too, but I didn't get that. But
Wait, it's 39, right? I know what I got. I got 33.
How did you get that, Harshad? Go ahead.
So, for, wait, sorry. I'm sorry. So first I did, well, it's 8 minus 4 plus 3 to the power. It's not times 3 to the power. Because, if a number is after the parentheses, it does not mean multiplication. It's only if the number is before. So now if you do it's 4 plus 9, 13, and then and then keep
Wait,
going.
let me see. Does it do good 4 plus 9 times? Okay, then it's a typo in the question, Ma Shruti. You don't have to be bothered at all.
Okay, but that's the same as question 41.
1 minute, Ma.
Let me see.
I'm pretty sure that's the same as.
Yeah. That's how I did it. It's the same as if you scroll
Shruti.
down to 41, there's a plus. That's how I did it.
Very nice, Arshad. Okay. So, Shruti, it's basically a typo. You can skip this question completely. You don't have to do this question.
Okay.
Okay. That is incorrect answer as well. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. Okay. What else? What other questions you had? Others, what other questions you had?
Oh, I just remember that I had a question on 24 and 21.
20?
24 and 21.
Akshat, did you have any questions?
No, I thought I had one, but I was like, no, I didn't have one.
Okay. How to compare the fractions? Neil, can you go ahead and describe how to compare fractions? It should be greater than 3 by 4, less than 4 by 5. How do you compare this?
You can compare it by doing the 4 times 5, which you get 20, so that's a common denominator. And then you do like 4 times 4 on the 4/5, and then you put that as a numerator for one, and then you do 5 times 4, you do 5 times 3 in the other numerator for 3/4. And
Okay,
then
15 by 20, 16 by 20, right? But that does not solve our purpose. This is 37 by 50. What do you do? What is that we can do?
I don't get it.
Okay. How did you do the homework, Neil?
I did the homework.
Yeah, Ma, but how did you do this in the homework?
I think my mom helped me on it.
Ah, I see. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I see. Okay. Now let's see. Closely.
Oh wait, I remembered how to do that one.
Go ahead. How did you do?
So I I put all of the equivalents for 3/4 and one of and all the equivalents for 4/5, and I picked the one that was in between both of them.
Miss Priya.
Okay. So how did you choose that it was in between?
Because they had the same denominator when I saw, and I picked the answer choice that had the one that was in the middle of both of them, where it was greater than 3/4 and less than 4/5.
Okay.
Miss Priya.
So can any of you describe Akshat? How did you do?
So what I did was that I first found all the numbers that were greater than 3/4, and then I'd cross off the numbers that weren't, and then I'd go to all the numbers that are 4/5, and if there were any numbers that were bigger than that, I'd cross it off. And then I ended up with B.
Okay, just so go ahead and tell one example.
Okay, so let's say I'm finding a number that's like bigger than 3/4.
What did
So
you find?
what I do was that I'd make it into like, let's say 20.
Mm-hmm.
So if you do that, it will be times 5. So 15 by 20.
Yeah, but that does not tell you whether this is in between, right?
Andy, can I do it?
1 minute, Harshit, I'm talking to him, right? Go ahead.
So then you see 7 by 10, that would be 14 by 20. So then I know that isn't the answer since it's less. So then I cross it off like that.
Yeah, I do get it, but how did you choose these? This is okay, I get it, but how did you choose these?
Isn't there only one answer? Because all I got was B. I didn't get A, I only got B.
Okay. See, the real way to do Saket, how did you do?
I actually I have a question on 25.
No. How did you do this one? Can you go ahead and
Oh,
explain?
this one, yeah. So basically, can I annotate? Can I annotate?
Yeah, you can.
Yep,
Okay.
go ahead.
So basically, I made a fractions table with the 4 and 5.
Uh-huh.
So then I just saw the greatest common denominator, which was like I think it was like 40.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so 40 was the greatest common denominator. So I went like started going backwards on it, and then wait, can I just like get my homework sheet and see what I have to do?
Okay. Go ahead, Harshit. How did you do?
Auntie, can I quickly tell how I did it?
Yeah, go ahead, Harshit. That's what I said.
Okay. So, I wrote 30. Wait, could you write for me, please?
Go ahead.
I can't annotate on this. Okay. So, yeah. So what I did was I wrote 37 by 50. And
Uh-huh.
I wrote 3 by 4 next to it. And then I multiplied the denominator of 3 by 4, which is 4, to the
Oh,
numerator
1 minute. Let's write down, Harshit, please.
3 by 4, and then 37 by 50.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I wrote 3 by 4 and then 37 by 50 next to it.
Mm-hmm.
And then I multiplied the numerator of 3 by 4 and the denominator of 37 by 50. So I did, and then I got 150, and then I wrote that above 3 by 4. And then and then I multiplied 37 and 4, and then quickly 28
Okay.
and
So
48.
good job, Harshit. So one way to do this is, see guys, you can bring it to common denominators. There are no common denominators, right? So what you can do is it should be greater than 3 by 4 means you compare 3 by 4 with 37 by 50, meaning 3 by should be this fraction should be greater than 3 by 4. So cross multiply both. When you cross multiply both, this will be 150. This will be 7 4s are 28, 2 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. So that tells you that 3 by 4 is a bigger fraction. You get it? So 37 by 50 is excluded because 37 by 50 is smaller than 3 by 4. Do you guys get it? When you want to compare fractions, okay, so see here, 3 by 4 is bigger or 5 by 6 is bigger?
Well, 18 and 5 by 6 is greater.
How do you say that? So here you can cross multiply. This is 20, this is 18. So this fraction is bigger. This is one quick way of doing it instead of bringing to common denominators. Otherwise, what you can do, you can bring it to common denominator 12, 9 by 12. This one is 10 by 12. You got it? So that as well you can do. You can bring it to the common denominator and say 10 by 12 is greater. Yeah, Saket, what is it?
I actually have a question on 25.
I know. I saw 25. So I got D.
So here, what is the answer? This one is not the answer. So now 19 by 25, does it fit into our problem? I don't
Yes.
know. So this is 75. 19 times 4 is much greater.
76. So I think it's 76.
96, right?
No.
76. Okay.
Yeah.
76. So 76 is greater. So 19 by 25 is greater. So this fits into our model. But 19 by 25 should be less than 4 by 5, right? How to convert it? So this,
What you multiply?
this will be 25. This will be 20. So this is greater. So definitely 19 by 25 fits into our thing, right? Because 19 by 25 is less than 4 by 5. So B can be the answer, right? So B is one of the answers, definitely. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Saket, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, Auntie, I have a question. Is the lines on 25 absolute value?
Yeah, that was my question as well.
Which
Yeah.
one?
Yeah. I got yeah, I think I got it correct. Is the lines on number 25 absolute value?
Yes, these are absolute value.
Okay. That means
Okay, that was my
Now,
question.
this 3 will be equal to minus 3. What does it mean?
3,
Absolute value of 3 is 3. This one is,
3. Wait, no.
you say that the
that's
absolute
negative 3.
value of any number is 3 and then a minus
Negative
3,
3.
right?
Yeah.
So it's not equal. So this is incorrect. Do you guys get it?
B, C, and are also correct.
Okay. Any other questions? Did I clarify all your questions, guys?
Wait, let me go on my computer screen.
Go ahead. Any other questions? Can I move on?
Yeah, I have. Oh wait, no.
Go ahead, Ma.
I don't have one. Wait, that was a mistake. Simple mistake.
I also had a question on number 21.
Now. 21, what is your question, Ma?
How do I like find the value of how do I find a value between 8 9 and 1?
Okay.
Oh, this one.
Yes. So similar, right? 8 by 9, it's very similar, right? The 17 by 30 should be between. So what can I do? First, I'll compare these two, right? When I compare these two, what happens? This is 240. This one is 17 times 9. 7 9s are 63. 6 9 1s are 9, 10, 15. So this is greater. 8 by 9 is greater than
159.
17 by 30. So 17 by 30 will be lying here. So this is not P. Like that you go on. Sarvata, do you get it?
Well, Auntie, I have a question. Well, the P seems to be right in between 8 by 9. So can't you just multiply 8 times 2 and 9 times 2 and then add 1/18th to that?
You can, see, that's what I'm saying. You can either bring it to common denominator and compare them, or the cross multiplication is another way.
No. P is, looks directly in the middle of it. So that's what I said.
P looks directly in the middle of it, but you cannot assume based on that number line, whatever is shown there.
All right.
You get it?
Yeah.
Just need to now see which fraction lies between 8 by 9 and 1. You got it?
I have a question on here.
Yeah, go ahead.
So on question number 30, I don't get how you do exponents with fractions.
No, it's just wait, Brandy, can I say something? It's just the same thing, just multiplying fractions.
Yeah, and it also like okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, but it all okay, yeah. Never mind.
Okay. What other questions you have? Can I move on, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 by 9 times that is 3 by 45, which is 1 by 50.
Wait. Can I move on, guys? Any more
Yeah.
questions?
Yeah.
Okay, you
No.
know how to compare fractions, order fractions now? Okay, so let's move on then. Okay, now we did rationals review. This week, next week, we have a holiday. You all got it, right?
We do?
Yeah.
I didn't
Next
know
1 week, we'll have a holiday. I want you to know that before we move on. Okay.
that. Okay.
Now, I really want to go ahead with the next piece. Okay. Hey, how good are you with fractions? Okay, see, the last time in the other class, I gave these problems and it was hard on them. So I just wanted to review those. Let me see, guys. Hold on. I just gave this problem to the other class. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, this is what I gave them. Let's see. Okay, you're not going to shout out answers. Okay, I have 30 LB side.
Wait, in the chat, right? Okay.
I have few questions, guys. After that review, I'll be moving on to the next topic. Go ahead.
Is my answer right?
Go ahead. That's good to know. Guys, go ahead, guys.
Wait, I'm a
Okay,
little confused.
question, more questions, more questions.
Huh? So I want to make sure I understand what the 1 by 20 means. Does it mean like 1/20th of 1 lb? Or is that 1 lb out of 1 lb out of 20 lbs?
This is it. What does it mean?
Yeah, like, does it mean like, okay. Got it.
1 by 20th of an LB.
There are two questions. Please put the question number and then answer. Guys, I'm asking you the number of containers. You're all answering in pounds. Why would you answer in pound? I'm asking you number of containers. Kiara, how can it be like that?
Wait, do I do the question?
Go ahead.
Is that it?
Two questions, ma. That's it.
And yeah, my answer is correct.
Okay. Harshat. Oh my gosh. Okay. Arhan correct both. Shruti correct both. Saket. No, both are incorrect. Kiara, the second one is right. That both are incorrect. That how can the answer, the number of containers be a fraction?
Did I get it right?
Neela. Neil, no, Neil, can you verify your answers? Neil, can you work it out on the board? Guys, these questions should be very good with you all.
Did I get it right?
Go ahead and do it on the board. Puma.
Harshit.
Harshat, I already told you, right? You got it. Neil, I want you to work it out on the board. Arhan, okay. Shruti, okay. Saket, I want you to work it out on the board, please. Akshat, you also work it out on the board.
I can't annotate, so can I explain?
Yes, why you can't annotate?
Because I'm working on a Chromebook.
You are working on a Chromebook. Okay, go ahead.
So, the way I did it was for the first problem. I thought that 520. Oh, now I see what I was doing. Now I see my mistake.
Go ahead, guys. I really want you to work it out on the board. If you're getting it wrong, that I want you to work it out on the board. Akshat is doing it on the board. Good job. Go ahead. I don't want people to wait as well. You have to quickly do it on the board. Then I can. Saket, can you work it out on the board?
Yeah,
Right.
I'm working.
1 minute, 1 minute. Akshat, what are you doing? Hold on. I have 30 lb sand. Please see here. 30 lb sand should be split into how many 1/20s are there in 30? If you
Oh,
ask that question, what will you do? How many 2s are there in 30? It's like asking that question. So what should you do? 30 should be divided by 1/20, right?
okay,
30 times 20 by 1. So it is 600, right? Saket,
okay. Okay, now I get it. Yeah.
Saket, did you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, on another note, guys. On the second one, there is 1/20 lb sand, okay? You want to split it into containers that can hold 1/40, 1/40, 1/40. So you're asking the question, how many 1/40s are in 1/20, right? So 1/20 should be divided by 1/40. So 1/20 times 40/1, which is, all got it?
Yes.
I got the second question right.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I still see the old question.
Yeah, go ahead. Can I move on? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, let me move on. We are taking a lot of time, but that's okay. Hold on. So I'm going to review only that, we had a tough time with the ratios and rates. Okay. So what did we do? Okay, let me see, guys. Hold on. Okay, this is the question I was asking the other class. So you also have issues on that. Okay. So now let me go ahead. How about this? Can you review integer chip addition subtraction? Do you need a review on it or how, guys?
Auntie,
Yeah, ma.
that is very easy, but at the same time, for me, it's very confusing because I'm not used to it. I need to get more used to it, but like,
I know.
if I just convert it to normally, I can do it really fast.
No, but you will have to know this, right, right, Harsha?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I'll go there and see what I can do. Okay. So
Alright.
all of you have turned it in, but I don't know how many of you understood. Okay. Who
I
can?
understood it. It was pretty
Yeah,
easy.
they're pretty easy. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let me go ahead and share this with you guys. I just want to make sure you are getting it before I move on. Okay. How about Yellow integer chips represent positive value, red chips represent negative value. Pick all the expressions that describe this integer chipset.
Is my answer correct?
Oh, we're typing it in?
Yes.
Oh. Let me think.
No, more than that. Okay. Okay.
But I sent my answer in letters, making them all A, B, C, D. Let me write the expression.
Okay, let me see who gets it right. Then I'll know, right? This is from your homework only. You can say ABCD, guys. You can say ABCD. I don't want to make your world a mess. You can
Are
say
we,
ABCD. Yeah. First and the third one. Yeah. Saket, that's good.
are we doing the first one and the second
Yeah,
one?
ma. First, second one as well, ma. First and the second one.
Okay.
So it's like gonna be like the first bullet point A and then like ABCD.
Yeah. See, you can take it like this, I'm saying. Make sense? Arhan, can I get your answers?
But are we
Is
doing
my
one
answer
or are
correct?
we just doing one?
Is my answer correct?
Are we doing
Harsha,
one?
if you don't put question numbers, I have no way of tracking, okay?
Okay,
Sarvata, that's right, ma.
Wait, but is my first one correct at least?
Neil, multiple answers can be correct, Neil. Did you see that? You are just answering 1. That's not so, right? Varnika, good job on the first one. Charan, good job on the first one. Akshat, how come B? How come 5 plus 4?
Yeah, because 5 plus 4.
There's a
Oh,
negative 5, right?
I didn't mean to put B, I meant to put C instead.
No problem, ma. That's fine.
Let me
As
just
long as you're not getting confused, it's okay.
So we answered both number 1 and number 2, right?
Yes.
Are my answers correct?
Arshad, the first answer is correct.
The second one?
Second answer, I'm checking. Yeah, second answer is correct. Second answer is C, ma. All of you are getting it correct. Okay, the first answer is A and C. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are good on that. But let me see. I have something to wait. Wait. These are easy ones, guys. Hold on. Huh.
Yeah, that's it. I have the homework right here.
I know. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this? How about this? How will you do this? I want a couple of you to do it on the board quickly.
Okay.
Varnika, Kiara, Saket. Can all of you do it on the board for me or that?
So we annotate, right?
Yes.
I want to annotate.
Do it on the board, please, Sarvata. Quick, Kama. I want to see it on the board.
I can't annotate because I'm
No,
on
I want chips, guys. I want chips. What is going on? I want chips, integer chips.
I can't annotate because I'm on a Chromebook.
Then do it on the paper and show me.
Okay.
Neil, do it on the paper and show me.
Is my answer correct?
Charan, can you do it on the board?
Oh, you want us to do it? Oh.
Yes. Akshat, you can do it on the board above.
Oh, okay. We're doing fraction chips, right?
Yeah.
I thought the yellow ones were positive.
Wait, do we have to like do the color thing?
I forgot the colors.
Wait, do we have to use the color thing?
This is not correct, guys. See here. Okay. Arhan, can you show me what you did?
I can't annotate either.
That's okay. I want to see your paper.
Is mine correct, Auntie?
No, right. See, this is the problem. Here, this is where your understanding clearly tells. Okay, guys.
And
I'm
is
going to show it,
my
please.
answer correct?
How will I know, Harshit? Where is your answer?
Is my answer correct?
I typed it in.
I don't want typing answers. I want you to show the
Do
integer
you want
chips.
the expression or do you want the answer?
No, ma, I want the integer chip addition. How do you do 3
Oh.
minus 7?
Okay, got it. So we like put the okay. Yeah, I can do that.
This is not correct, Charan.
Excuse me, is my answer correct?
Can I show you? Varnika, no.
Wait, how's
Varnika,
it not
Hey,
correct?
Auntie, I'm about to finish, please. Wait.
Um,
Wait, how's it wrong?
I'm solved mine on my notebook.
yeah, can I see,
Wait.
ma?
I think I forgot the sign.
How,
It's -4.
Oh wait, I switched it up.
This is incorrect. No, no, no. Integer chips are incorrect, guys.
There's 3 plus. Yeah.
This is why I wanted
Is
to.
mine correct?
Nobody is asking you for the answer. How will you demonstrate it using the integer chips? Okay, I'm going to do it on the board. Okay.
Wait, Auntie, I'm done. Well,
No,
now.
that is incorrect. That is incorrect, Harshit.
Wait, why? There's
3
4.
minus 7, right?
I share what I did.
Yellow is going to be. Yeah, go ahead, Sharvata.
So what I did is I knew that 3 minus 7 is also equal to 3 plus negative 7.
Yeah.
So I did 3 positive integer chips and then 7 negative positive seven negative integer chips, and then I like crossed out 1 negative for 1 positive.
Wait. You have 3 positive chips, right?
Yeah.
And then remove 7. You don't have enough chips to remove 7. So you add 4 zero pairs. Only when you add 4 zero pairs, you will be able to remove 7. That's the important part here. There are 3 positive chips, but you're asked to remove 7. How will you remove 7? You can't remove 7, right? 7 positives you need to remove. So you have to show these 4 zero pairs. And after that, you can cancel off whatever you remove. So now the answer is -4. This is how you do, guys.
Well, Auntie,
That's
if you
literally what we did, though.
but Auntie, if you had a positive, if you had 4 positive chips, then won't it be 0?
Nobody's adding extra 4 positive chips, right? I'm
Yeah.
adding 0 pairs, right? 4 zero pairs. It's like adding 0, right, Harshad?
Yeah.
So I have a question. So we solved it wrong, but our answer is correct because all of us said it was -4.
Nobody is going to check this answer. I just want to see you depicting this.
But I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Like get like all the like we have 3 and then if you cross out those, can't you make like a subtraction chip for like each one?
It doesn't work that way, right? Meaning integer chips. Okay, 3 are there, right? But how will you remove 7? You tell me, Akshat. How will you remove 7? You cannot remove 7, right? Because you have only 3. It's
And-
more logical, integer chip addition, subtraction.
I have a question.
Go ahead, ma.
So can I annotate for this?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So okay. So there's one. Okay. So I'm just gonna go with the one you did. Okay.
Go ahead.
So there's 3 positive chips. 1, 2, 3, and there's 7 negative chips. Well,
There are no 7 negative chips here. That is why that was the mistake I was saying. So you're going to remove 7 of the chips. How will you remove the 7 positive chips? You will have to add 0 pairs and then remove just the positives. So you have only 4 negative chips remaining, making the answer -4.
No, Auntie, no, that's if you just had 7 negative chips and then cancel everything else,
That doesn't work at all.
You'll be remained with 4 negative.
True, ma, but that is not the way it operates. You are not having 7 negative chips at all here. This is not a -7. You're removing 7.
Oh.
Removing 7 positive chips.
Oh.
Got it?
Oh, okay.
Now, if I have 4 minus 3, then it's going to be very easy. Why? I have 4 positive chips and I'm going to remove off 3. The answer is 1. So this is very easy. But the problematic one is only when you have something like this. You have 3 positive chips. I have to remove 5. I don't have anything to remove. So I will add 2 0 pairs and remove 5. Answer is -2. So the problem comes only when smaller number is subtracted from a bigger number. Bigger number is subtracted from a smaller number. Saket, are you following?
Yeah.
Okay, that is one thing that I wanted to see. And let's see this one. I'm going to move on, but this will come on and off. Okay, meaning it'll not be that easy as in the homework. That's the deal. Okay, it'll be a lot harder. Let's see. I'll show you. How about this one? Let's go ahead and try this one. At least not all. I'll not be able to cover everything today, but let's see.
Do we have to
this guy.
draw, or can you just write the answer?
Here, see, these are the questions. See, here, this is an example of what they might ask.
What if it's 96 minus 13? Do we have to draw every single 96?
Nobody is going to ask integer chip addition with that big of a number.
Okay.
Oh, go ahead with it. It's
Oh, I
just
understand.
logical way. Okay, what does this represent? Just send it to me in chat. This is an expression you're going to send it in chat. Go ahead, guys.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, what are we solving for?
Auntie, is my answer correct? Akshat, we're not solving for anything. We have to write the equation.
Oh, whoops.
1 minute, I'm checking the answer. Hold on. Jo minus. Yeah, Kiara got it. Good job. You started with whatever is given there. Good job. Okay.
Auntie,
Yeah, guys.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Could you go to the homework and do Jip's addition homework?
You want to go there? Okay. So
Yeah.
here, this would be C. You have -4 and then you're adding 6 more. So it'll be a 2. Go into the order of whatever is given, right? So this is okay. Some of you have given 6 minus 4, which is still okay, guys. 6 minus 4 is still okay. 2 minus 6 is not correct, Shruti. You got it? Shruti?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is not correct.
Could you please go to the homework?
Saket, I didn't get your answer. What's going on? Neil?
You didn't? That's weird.
Neil, you just switched. Well, how did you get 2 minus 6? Neil, how did you get 2 minus 6? Saket, is not correct. Saket, how many you're cancelling? How many 0 pairs you're cancelling? See? So 4 is 1, right? Yeah, so what happened? That's why the way you have to do is starting, just see what you have, -4, and then you add 6 positive chips. Answer is a +2. 2 remains, right? That's how you should go. You got it?
I miscounted the 6 for 7.
Oh. Neil, how about you?
I got this. That was my mistake.
Sorry. Sometimes I wanted, right? Yours is charged. How about this, guys?
Auntie, now can you go to the homework?
Yeah, ma. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I had a question on it.
Yeah, ma. Give me 1 minute. Sorry, Harshad. Go ahead. Go ahead with this one. What is this on a number line?
Oh.
On a number line, what does this indicate? The -5 indicates your answer. But what does this expression? What is this expression showing? I'll help you. You have to start from 0.
Oh, that was sorry.
Yeah, that seems right, Harshad. That's not correct. See, first from 0, what are they doing? They are going 2 steps backward. Whenever you go backward, it's a minus. From 0, this is the first time we are dealing with it. So it's going to take time. So from 0, you're going back. So it's a -2.
Is my answer correct?
And then it goes back. -2. It's a -5. This is how you should write this.
Oh,
You got it, guys? So let's do a few more on this one. This is quite important. Okay. Let's see this one. What is that one? Second one. First one I showed you, right? Second one you're going to do.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, the zero's in the middle of the lines.
Yeah, which one is the 0?
Which one is the zero on which line?
Oh, sorry, ma. Okay, you're not clear. Okay, I made a mess. This one is the 0. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Auntie, is my answer correct?
Harshit Shruti, that is correct. Good, Akshat. That I don't want the answer. I want the expression. Saket, please check properly and send. Neil, good job, Neil.
Wait,
Charan, that's right, but you don't need to put 0 plus. You just go forward means it's a +3. Kiara, same thing with you. It's a plus.
so we can just start off.
Arnika, I didn't get your answer. +3 minus 6. You got it?
For some reason, I don't really see any numbers on there.
Yeah, you don't have to see. A good job, Varnika. Good job bringing it up. Like that, ask. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Like that, you need to calculate, ma. You got it? And then you're going back how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it?
Yeah.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. So on a number line and integer chips, you should be good with. Okay. That was the intent of this. When I show you a number line or when I show you integer chips, you should be able to find out what are they. How about this? Number line multiplication division is also important, guys. When the same thing gets repeated so many times, it will be multiplication. Okay. So division means a whole lot is being divided by 2 by. Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Miss
How about
Priya,
Yama?
can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go and come quickly.
Miss Priya,
Go
after
ahead.
this, can you go to the
You,
interview?
yes, I will go, Harshad. I did not. You've been asking me for so long. Give me 1 minute. I'll just finish this and then go on there.
So, are we just supposed to do this problem?
Yes.
Wait, do we send the answer or the expression?
You send the, oh, wait. You send the expression for me. You send the expression for me. See, okay, multiplication division are a little trickier, but you can do, guys. This is what? One of you tell me what is the operation here?
multiplication.
Multiplication, because see, -3 is repeating so many times.
Oh,
We don't do that.
okay.
You got it? Good job, guys.
Okay, fine. Okay, I will do this.
That's
There.
right, Karnika. That's right. Akshat, that's correct. Harshad, that's correct. That's not correct. This is not addition subtraction, ma. Charan correct, Shruti correct. Saket, again it's wrong. -3 is multiplied just 4 times, Saket. Sarvata correct.
Wait, Auntie, multiplication is repeated addition, so -3, -3, -3, -3,
Yeah, so -3 is gone, added 5 times, right? So this will be
Yeah.
-15. That's the deal. Now let's go ahead. How about this? How about that? That's a little tricky. It's not addition.
Is this the answer?
See, there are 2 ways of doing this. You can have, okay. Now let me ask you, that's not addition subtraction, right? That we are making a stopover at -6. You are just climbing to -12 directly like this. How can you do that? From 0, you're going to -6, right? So see, this can be viewed in two different ways.
Am I correct?
Yeah, -6. Yeah, -6 is twice. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, it can also be viewed as -12 is being divided.
Yeah, but the arrow is going the opposite way. So
The arrow is going this way, right? -6 times 2. That's correct. That, did you understand this one? Okay. Now, guys, I really want to know, how do you do this fraction when you have something like this? 5 by 9 divide by 1 by 2.
I know.
Please send the answer in
Wait,
chat.
can you say it again? Like,
Wait,
right?
do we do it as a mixed fraction?
No, I don't want, I don't want the answer. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you. Wait, guys, you don't need to send the answer. I don't want the answer.
Oh.
I'm not bothered now about the answer, okay?
Oh, I
So
sent it.
I am just bothered about your your conceptual skills. Let me see. How about this?
Conceptual. Oh wait, never mind.
My intent is to understand how far you have understood. That's all. It's not.
Is my answer correct?
Good job. Shruti, that's incorrect, ma.
Oh, sorry, I meant to put something else.
Arshad, that's correct. Akshat, correct. Akshat, correct. That's correct. Varnika, correct. Kiara, Saket, Arhan, correct. Neil, that's incorrect. Neil, please check. Only after the division you're going to flip over. Kiara, that's incorrect. Charan, correct. Shruti, correct. Neil, I want you to correct your answer. Neil, Kiara. Saket, that's incorrect. So, Saket, we have covered fraction addition, subtraction, multiplication, division so much already. Neil, that's correct. So, what you do, guys, you cannot divide fractions. So, you do this 3 by 5 directly, you write it down. Then change this to multiplication. Since you changed it to multiplication, you have to flip the fraction that follows it. So, this is the same as D.
Wait, if I remember correctly, it's reciprocal, right?
Yeah, this is called the reciprocal of 7 by 9. Reciprocal is an important word. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 by 5. 5 by 1, right? So the reciprocal is 1 by 5. The reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Now, let me say I have a fraction. I multiply it with, let's say, points is okay. Now, you know what I want you to tell me. So here I'm going to ask you this, okay? What number is going to come here? Wait, let me show you the question. 5 by 9 divide by what number should come? A difficult one.
Wait, oh, why am I thinking?
That I want the simplified fraction value there. I want the simplified. That you seem to be right, but you did not simplify and tell me. Charan, that seems wrong. Shruti, correct. Akshat, correct.
Is my answer correct?
Akshat, that's incorrect.
Huh?
Kiara, that's incorrect, ma. Sarvata, please check again. There is division on that side. That's not correct, right?
Is this
Charan,
correct?
that's not correct. Harshad, that's not correct.
Um,
Sarvata, you rectified it. Varnika, Kiara, can I get your answers?
Wait, Auntie, how is it not my answer?
So these are the questions you're likely to get in a 6th grade level. So here, when you look at it, right? See, 5 by 9 times 3 by 4, right?
Yeah.
But there is a change in the operation, right? Then we perform with its reciprocal. The first fraction never changes. But when you change it to division, this becomes 4 by 3. then only you can write this out as when you change it to multiplication, this becomes 3 by 4.
I didn't change it back.
So these are the things where you will be tested for your conceptual
Wait.
understanding. Saket, I didn't receive an answer from you on that.
And the error 7500 still. I rectified it.
Only your first answer counts for me, Harshit.
Yeah.
You keep on sending different answers. It's very difficult for me to follow through, right?
What do is that you should delete the previous
What
answer.
is it, ma?
Like, if you want to send in a new answer, what I do is that I
You
delete.
can send, okay, but if you keep on sending 3-4 different answers, which one to check, ma?
Oh, okay.
That's the problem for me. Hold on. How about this? So this expression is basically equal to that. Which of the following expression is equal the same as this?
My answer correct.
Harshit, you got it right. Guys, you need to be very careful. The original fraction remains the same. It does not change. Charan, Akshat, correct. Remember. Charan, Akshat, correct. Saket, see, the operation is changed, Saket. You did not find the reciprocal. Neil, Kiara, correct. Akshat, Charan, Shruti, Dutt, correct. Harshad, correct. Sarvata, correct. So here, Varnika, I didn't get an answer from you. So this is basically 9 by 2, but they have changed, right? Division means it's 3 by 8, but there is no division with 9 by 2. So leave it. Okay, those both are not the answer. 9 by 2 is here, 9 by 2 is here. But then when it changes to multiplication, the next has to be its reciprocal. So the answer is C. Did you get it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you know
I
what?
get it
This
now.
week I cannot give you this homework. I'll wait on that. Arhan, where are your answers, Arhan, by the way?
Just sent it.
I was waiting, but you know what? I was not getting. Wait, Arhan, I honestly did not get your answer. No, I got it. I'm sorry. Yours was right. I got it, Arhan. Thank you. And on the homework, Arhan, did you submit your homework? I don't remember going through your homework.
Not yet. I'll send it after.
Yeah, but the deadline was 2 days back, right? Amma, please submit by the deadline, but the timeline, ma, then only I'll go over, right? Okay. Okay, guys. I'll stop here, but your homework will be very limited for this week.
Wait,
Okay.
Andy. And before the class ends, can you go to interjects edition?
Yes. Sorry. I'm apology. Hold on. I will go. He has been asking me. I did not go. Yes, guys, if you're done, you can leave. He's going to ask some questions to me. So,
Bye.
whoever has understood the G5 Beast group, if you don't have questions, you can leave. I'm just going
So
to
wait, if you're so how many homeworks are there? Like 1,
be one.
2, or
Yeah.
like
So, like, in this one, how can it be 4 minus 5? Because that's a negative 5. If it's 4 minus 5, then you have to add an extra 0 pair, right? So, this answer cannot be 4 minus 5. It can
Got
only be 4 plus
Got it.
negative
Yes. This is going to be, yeah. Good job, Harshit.
5. Yeah.
This one would be 4, and then you're not taking away.
Yeah.
1 second. 1 second. 4, add, only C is going to be the answer. We checked
Yeah.
it A and C,
Yeah.
right?
I put only C at first. You said it. I think you said incorrect. So then I
4
was
plus minus 5. 4
yeah,
minus.
and it says both of them in the answer key. So
You know what? Yeah, I know the problem with it. Okay, I'll take away this worksheet completely. Or otherwise, I'll have to change the answers.
yeah.
No, Harshit, you go ahead with 4.
Okay.
Wait. 4 plus minus 5 is okay. Don't go with 4 minus 5. This
Yeah.
answer is incorrect. Thank you, Harshit. I really appreciate you taking the time and showing it. This is incorrect. Very good job, Harshit. I'll tell it in class. Can you remind me next week?
Okay.
Please remind me next week. We'll tell it in class. Without fail, remind me, ma.
Sorry, Mickey.
Okay. Now, what's up? Hi, guys. How are you all?
I'm good.